This house was built by my parents in 1957. Obviously it had that oil-fired hot water heat. It was built with air conditioning, but it was a very primitive air conditioner. In the 70s, it was upgraded to an attic air conditioner. Fast forward to a few years ago, and it was time to replace the air conditioning, and the ductwork was tired. And we were losing a lot of heat and air to the attic. We don't always use all the upstairs rooms, so it was nice to go with ductless upstairs, and then we could have individual zoning for each room for both heat and cooling. So we're still able to use the boiler to do the primary amount of heating. But what we have found is with this heat pump, it's efficient at such a low temperature that we did this a year ago and we're not even to a half a tank of oil yet. This has really put the house on an energy diet. The bedroom directly above us, which is the entire length of the house, only had one radiator in the front. And there were times when it was a little cooler than the rest of the house. We really didn't have a good place to put a wall mount ductless system. So we put the floor console unit, and it basically mirrors the radiator that's on the other end of the house. The other two bedrooms upstairs, they have high wall mount units, and they work fantastic there. Having a system like this, we're able to put the heat and cool where we want to have the heat and cool when we want to have it. If we're not using a room, we can set it back, but if we end up needing the room, it can very quickly come to a temperature that we want. The type of radiators that were in this house tended to be pretty noisy. And the 3 bedrooms now that have the mini splits, they're virtually silent. You can't hear them. I've recommended this to other houses in similar situations. I really like the ductless system because you have the entire system inside the envelope of the house. You're not wasting anything.